Hello students, welcome to Anupam Public School and College channel. I am going to teach you subject English for the class 2nd. So today you will learn chapter 1, I wonder. Chapter 1, subject English, I wonder, for the class 2nd. I wonder. Wonder means excited by what is unexpected. Wonder means excited by what is unexpected. In this lovely poem, the poet tells about his eagerness to know the reason how the beautiful natural things work and why they look so. The poet is very excited to know how the beautiful natural things work and why they look so. The lovely poem written by Jeannie Kirby. Written by the poet is Jeannie Kirby. So in this lovely poem, the poet tells about the eagerness to know the reason how the beautiful natural things work and why they look so. The first line is, I wonder. The poet is very excited why the grass is green and why the wind is never seen. It's a questions. He wants to know. He wonder. The poet has wondered that why the grass is looking green and why the wind is never seen. Why we are not able to see the wind. Second, who taught the birds to build a nest and told the trees to take a rest? First, I wonder. The poetess wonder why the grass is green. Why the grass is green? It's a question. It's a question asked by the poet. And why the wind is never seen? And why the wind is never seen? Second stanza is, who taught the birds to build a nest? Who taught the birds to build a nest? Nest means the bird's home, bird's house. Who taught the birds to build a nest and told the trees to take a rest? And told the trees to take a rest. Question mark here. The poet is excited. I wonder why the grass is green and why the wind is never seen. Who taught the birds to build a nest and told the trees to take a rest? Rest means comfortable and to take a rest for a long time. And when the moon is not quite, third stanza, or when the moon is not quite round, where can the missing bit be found? Or when the moon is not quite round, where can the missing beat be found? Where can be missing beat? Where can be missing beat be found? Beat means small piece. In Hindi we can say छोटा सा टुकड़ा. Wonder means आश्चर्यचकित होना. Wonder means आश्चर्यचकित होना. Beat means small piece. एक छोटा सा टुकड़ा. So now poet is saying that when the moon is not quite round, you have seen moon, it is not round, where can be missing bit be found? So where that shape of the moon is be found. Poet is saying that the moon is not, when we see the moon is not look like round, but where the missing bit be found, and the shape of the other shape of the half part of the moon, where we can find it. Yes. Now again, I wonder why the grass is green. The poet is wonder, I wonder why the grass is green, and why the wind is never seen, who taught the birds to build a nest and told the trees to take a rest. Or when the moon is not quite round, where can be missing bit be found? Bit means small piece. So the poet saying that where the small piece can be found, the missing shape of the moon, where can it be found? So next line, next stanza is, who light the stars when they blow out and makes the lighting flash about. First stanza is, who lights the stars when they blow out, and make the lightning flash about. Who points the rainbow in the sky? The children, might have seen the rainbow, very colorful rainbow you can see in the sky during the rainy season, and hangs the fluffy clouds so high. Fluffy means soft, light and airy. Fluffy means soft, light and airy or comforting. And hangs the fluffy clouds so high. Clouds you can see in the sky, it is very high. And why is it now? Do you suppose that Dad won't tell me if he knows? Again, who lights the stars when they blow out? Who lights the stars when they blow out, and makes the lightning flash about, Lightning means lights of the stars. Who points the rainbow in the sky and hangs the fluffy clouds so high? Why is it now, do you suppose, that Dad won't tell me, and if he knows? That Dad won't tell me if he knows. You can write the meaning. Wonder, second beat, small piece, fluffy, soft, light or airy. Wonder, beat, fluffy, point, attention or direct attention. Flash, flash, sudden bright light. Sudden bright light. Your homework is your work assignment. First question is, what is the color of the grass? Homework. What is the color of the grass? The color of the grass is green. What is the color of the grass? The color of the grass is green. Grass. Second question, where do the birds live? This is a general questions. You know the birds live in a nest. Where do birds live? Birds live in a nest. Third, what does the flash in the sky? What does the flash in the sky? What does the flash in the sky? The stars light flash in the sky. The stars lights flash in the sky. Answer is the stars lights flash in the sky. Now fourth question is, what do you mean by the word fluffy? The word fluffy. What do you mean by the word fluffy? Fluffy means soft, light and airy. Fourth question, what do you mean by the word fluffy? The word fluffy means, answer is, the word fluffy means soft, light and airy. So these questions you can write in your fair copy, in your classwork copy. So in this chapter, the poet has expressed, he wants to know the reason, what is the reason the beautiful natural things work and why they look so. Thank you so much.